Can you make consistent profit day trading a simple breakout strategy? I'm going to show you guys my results trading a small account with a small amount of trades, only 1 to 2 contracts with a very simple strategy right here in this video. Stay tuned for the results. What's going on, guys? A lot of people ask me, is it possible to make money as a day trader consistently without a lot of money up front? And I would say that there are multiple ways of going about this. You can trade through a Top Step funded account. You can start out with like $500, $1,000 in a futures brokerage account. You can trade the micros and you can build that account up. You can get consistent. You can find success in the market if you follow a few rules. If you have a overall just plan of finding consistency and not trying to swing for the fences. The biggest problem for most new day traders is they swing for the fences, right? They want those home run trades. I've done it. You've done it. We've all done it, where you just constantly want to make more profits. You can't just be content with the $100, $200, $500 a day because you want that $5,000. You want that $10,000. Well, what if we follow a very simple strategy? The simple strategy is trading basically breakouts. This is the move on Friday that we absolutely crushed live on YouTube. You can see this move up here from the 70s all the way up there. It got to the 380s, but let's just say this first move out of the open. This is the 2-minute chart. We had our breakout strategy. This is the same exact strategy and overall thought process that we use inside the Market Flow Trader community. So if you want to learn more, there's a link down below to sign up. It's $500 to sign up today. You get the full course. You get everything that I'm always talking about right here on the channel, the indicators and all of that fun stuff. So you can start trading futures today. If you're having problems getting past through the combine of Top Step as well, this could help you find success. So very simple strategy. We look for a breakout. We have our little breakout right there at open. We had the VWAP. We had a pivot point right there as well. Everything lined up beautifully. We got this huge move up. And then I walked away, right? I just basically look for one big move, make a little bit of money on it, and then walk away. I don't need to sit around and trade the rest of the day. You can see the market ended up making some moves kind of the rest of the day, but overall pretty like just overall choppy, right? We had this big move up at open and then just kind of chopped around the VWAP, dropped, pulled back to the VWAP. End of day, we pretty much closed at that 300 level, and well, it was totally fine just to kind of hit it and quit it and walk away quickly. So let's talk about these results, right? I want to show you guys this. First off, I want to show you that this is a real account. You can see right here, this is all real. This is not photoshopped. I'm going to go live trading, start trading. It's going to pull up my actual account right there. You can see my account number. You can see my equity and all of that stuff. So I started this account pretty much at the beginning of this month, September, because there's been a lot of questions like, is Patrick trading real money? What, is it real? Is any of it real? Well, you can clearly see here that it is very much real. So again, a live account. What I want to show you guys here is the actual results. Account balance history. If we pull this across, you can see at the beginning of the month, $3,486 starting out. The first day, $433 in profit. I did not trade on Labor Day, and then 800, 400, 1400, 520 there on Friday. So total right now, after starting out with 3,400, the total is basically doubling the count. 100% returns in as little as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days total so far this month. So total after starting out with $3,400, basically making $3,400 in trades. If you look at my overall performance here, check this out. My gross P&L on the month right now is $3,945. I made 16 trades. The total P&L there, $3,822. So pretty much right where that 100% mark is. We basically doubled this account now. And the best part about this is no losing trades so far. So 16 trades, right? Just 2 contracts per trade. No losing trades. 0 losing trades on 16 trades. 100% win-loss ratio there. And well, if we go down, we look where the majority of my profit is made. It's made there at 9:30 in the morning. So 9:30 in the morning till 10 o'clock, the majority of the profit was made. And we had a few like break even kind of trades, but overall pretty good kind of setups. True, 2 contracts, not anything too crazy. And you can see the results there. This is all very real. This is not photoshopped. And that's the month of September so far. So the goal here is showing you guys that you can trade a small amount of money, being that, you know, $6,000 right now, but being $3,000 starting out. I've made $3,000 basically in a week of trading. So $3,000 turning into $3,000. Now, obviously, this is not results that are normal for everybody out there. If you're watching this video right now, you're probably not going to be able to do this, but I've been able to do it because I have the experience, and I also use a very simple strategy. You know, the breakout strategy for me is my go-to bread and butter, right? This move here on Friday, we talked about this move off the 70s, a squeeze up there towards the 300s. We have the overnight high right there. This is all stuff that we talk about in the Market Flow Trader community. And again, if you want to join up, there's a link down below. It's $500 to basically get access to everything. And then you get a free month with Sage live on basically streaming 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. But in general, what is the moral of the story here, Patrick? The moral of the story, like always, is that trading is very much a battle of finding consistency and being content, right? Because as you saw, like I didn't have any home run trades. Like I didn't have any massive profits. I didn't have any $10,000, $3,000 days. I just added up, you know, 400, 400, 800, 1400, 400, basically adding those up. $400 a day keeps the doctor away. And I really want to get this point across, people out there, that you don't need a ton of money to make money as a day trader, especially with futures and especially with Top Step. You can sign up today. It's $50 to sign up. There's a lot of other YouTubers out there that, you know, show big, massive profits and they brag about Lambos and all this stuff. I'm not saying that I don't, you know, have trucks and boats and stuff like that, but is it reality? Like, do you need to make millions of dollars as a day trader to change your life? Like, that's the big question here, right? Do you need millions of dollars personally if you're watching this video, or could you be very, very content with only making $200, $300 a day if you had a strategy that actually worked and you could find consistency? Like you saw, that was 16 trades that I made, 0 losers. 5 days of trading, 0 losers. So it's very clear to see that the strategy can work for you if you find success and you really put in the work, you really put in the effort, you can find success. I'm not going to sit here and say that I want to make you rich. Like I said before, and all my videos, day trading is very, very difficult. It's hard for most people to find consistency. But the problem with that is it's not so much that they can't do it. It's just the emotion, right? Like how many times have you been up $200, $300 on a day? Like how many times have you had one big trade at open, you made money, and then you gave it back? And that's the problem. Like for me, showing you guys that small account, all I'm worried about is like making 1 or 2 trades and then being done with that account and then focusing on my Top Step accounts. Like I don't need to make big, massive profits in that account because I just want you guys to see what can happen if you're consistent and you follow the plan and you have an overall target, right? Like if I can make $200, $300, $400, $500 in that account, it's going to add up. And well, you guys can see doing it consistently really is a massive kind of goal. I had no losers just by taking, you know, little base hits over and over and over, getting on base over and over and over, doing it. At the end of the month, it's like turning $3,000 into $9,000, turning it into $18,000, whatever it is. Having that like goal of just getting on base over and over and over is a very, very strong plan. It's very, very strong emotionally and mentally to be like, hey, I just need to get on base. I don't need to hit a home run to win this game. I just need to get on base over and over and over. And I don't need to swing hard. I don't need to go crazy. All I need to do is just hit that ball, get on base, hit that ball, get on base, and do it over and over. And I can win this game, my friends. Hit the ball, get on base. If you want to learn more, you want to learn about checking out Top Step, start trading futures today for only $49. So you can start trading, go through the combine and get into a fund account. Follow the plan. Pay $50, start trading, build up to $3,000, $5,000, take that money out, make your own account, whatever you want to do. Learn more, links down below. I'll talk to you guys later on. Make sure you tune in 9:15 a.m. live right here on YouTube.